So I kept getting the message AC turned off due to engine temperature too high, something like that. It is an easy fix. All you have to do is go down to your parts store. I had O'Reilly's. Went in there and got a coolant temperature sensor. Ran about $30 plus or minus a few dollars. Took me all but 15 minutes to change it out. I do recommend that you let your engine cool down before you reach behind the engine. It is hot, and also when you unplug the sensor, unscrew the sensor from the engine, coolant does come out. Not a lot, but some does come out, so you want to be careful not to burn your hand. But I'll go ahead and show you where the engine temperature coolant temperature sensor is. Okay, for this 2016 Buick Verano, the coolant temperature sensor is back there. I don't know if you can see the shiny little clip right there. That is the temperature sensor right behind the thermostat. Anyway, it takes about 10 turns to loosen it. You do have to unclip the electrical cord that comes with it, and also make sure that when you're plugging the new one back in, that the pins inside are not crooked, or else it will not plug back in. Anyway, right there is what the old temperature sensor looks like. That's what came out of the car. But I hope this helped you out. Have a good day.